Apple's iPhone 15 range is likely to have bigger batteries and a new USB-C port, which might contribute to longer iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro battery life as well as quicker charging. The introduction of new battery technology, which will increase the battery capacity of iPhone 15 models, will be one of the largest jumps in the iPhone 15 series. According to a tip, cider improvements, stacked batter manufacturing process similar to what is used in electric cars, will be coming in iPhone 15 series. As a consequence, it will assist to enhance battery. According to reports, the iPhone 15-based model will have the biggest battery jump, 18%, with a battery capacity of 3,877 mAh, while the iPhone 15 Plus will have a battery capacity of 4,912 mAh, a 14% jump, while the iPhone 15 Pro will have a 14% battery jump and a battery capacity of 3,650 mAh, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max will have a 12% battery jump and a battery capacity of 4,852 mAh. If the battery size increase rumor is true, we may anticipate at least a corresponding boost in phone battery life, as well as a more efficient Apple A17 chipset and a newer OLED display generation to supplement the battery size. Increase advantages. This is a significant jump in battery life, but we must also consider the device's weight and size. It is evident that we will see a thicker device, which, in my view, will make the device a bit heavier due to stack-up battery technology. And the second big update will be the debut of USB-C. Yep. Respectable experts now believe that all phones and Apple's 2023 range will come with a contemporary USB-C port with power delivery capabilities rather than the aging Lightning port. Also, with the advent of the USB-C port on the iPhone 15 series, data transfer speed will be increased to 40 megabytes per second, which I consider a significant improvement, since it takes years to transfer files via the Lightning port or over AirDrop. Apple will have all of the infrastructure in place to officially enhance the 20-watt charging speed of the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max to the higher 27-watt or 29-watt charging peak. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.